It's on Malagum. No, now that is a. Oh my God. Melanin popping. Fine girl. Hi, elegance and one. How far you now? I've been noticing you and that wretched thing. Or your boyfriend with that, again.
Which wretched thing are you talking about, please?
Osana fia wo aboki Nollywood ko amami na akpia Nollywood aboki. Nka ho tell Latin and that hungry boy.
Don't call him wretched.
Don't call him wretched. Do you know who you're talking to?
Continue.
Oh my God, stop that. You don't know me. Mbang. Baby, a good day. There's money. I have money. This is the list. See this bomb bomb. This is the list bomb bombs I have. Oh, have you gone to Dubai? You have not entered plane now. You cannot enter plane.
You don't know why it's...
Baby, I have money. Itago pizza. Itano be pizza.
Continue.
I will buy you pizza.
Funke!
Yota.
So this is one of your cars.
I said, this is what I used to.
You know.
Bianso, but okay now, Bianso, I have money.
Don't worry.
So what I want, you have accepted up where?
Forget about the other one.
So baby, open for ego day.
Brother, man, I want to call you a business. But stop touching me. Your customers are waiting for you. Stop touching me.
Okay.
They are waiting for you to come and grab Pepe. Become you know.
Oh, I'm not too much.
Baby.
Hey! Go and grind Pepe.
Who's going to... What do you take me for?
Go and grind Pepe.
Look at you.
Bia, it's not that. It's not the pepper you think.
And next time you stop me on the way, you will not like what I will do to you. In fact, I was even going to go and buy something. I don't know why I stopped for this.
Lord of God. No. Hey, this boy is a very, very...
You don't know why it's going on.